Welcome to the Regio1st Planning Framework tutorial series. In this video, we will explore the Energy Inventory Data Collection Template, a key tool of the fourth stage in Regio1st Planning Framework. The Energy Inventory Data Collection Template is an Excel-based tool designed to help planners collect and organize energy data. This template provides a structured approach to gather information on energy production and consumption, as well as key infrastructure details like existing renewable energy production capacity. Acting as both a data collection tool and a checklist, it helps planners identify crucial sectors and energy sources to focus on, ensuring a comprehensive energy inventory. Accurate and comprehensive data collection is crucial for developing a baseline energy inventory, understanding the current regional energy system, and setting realistic targets in the regional energy plan. The Energy Inventory Data Collection Template offers a solid foundation for gathering the necessary data for both supply and production sides, facilitating an analysis of the status and future planning under the Energy Efficiency First principle. This template includes also an advanced inventory section for more detailed studies and a notepad for users to document their data gathering process. The Energy Inventory Data Collection Template adds significant value by standardizing and simplifying the data collection process for regional energy planning. It supports the identification of required data, ensuring that all necessary information is collected for a thorough analysis. By aligning with the Energy Efficiency First principle, the tool helps planners prioritize energy efficiency in both supply and demand. The tool includes 4 tabs. The Energy Demand Inventory, built on the Covenant of Mayors format, helps authorities accelerate data gathering for energy consumption by fuel type and by consumption category. The Energy Supply Inventory is also based on the Covenant of Mayors format. This tab focuses on data related to energy production by fuel type and production technology, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of energy supply. The Advanced Inventory tab guides regional and local authorities through the process of creating an advanced energy inventory for a deeper understanding of their energy system. It supports advanced social cost-benefit studies by indicating the types of data needed for various categories. The last tab is a notepad, a dedicated space for users to document their notes and comments on the data gathering process, ensuring that all observations and insights are recorded and easily accessible. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Energy Inventory Data Collection Template. For more information and resources, visit our website and explore the other tools available in the Regio1st Planning Framework. Stay tuned for more instructional videos in this series.